Hello, I'm Lucas. Welcome to my channel. Please follow me to have an interview with Mr. Zheng Yang, who is the chief engineer for this product. 郑阳，你好，跟大家打个招呼。
大家好，
你手上这个产品叫什么名字呢？
我手上这产品叫做深孔钻刀头。
So actually, this is a deep hole drilling tool. 那这个产品的材料是什么呢？
模具钢材质。
This is the tool steel, the material. 那这个产品的功能是干什么呢？
它是加工产品的深孔。
Okay, the tool is used to help our customer to make the deep hole drilling. 我们这个产品的特点和优势是什么呢？
它比我们的竞争的寿命更稳定，寿命更高。
Okay, the strength for our offering is it perform much more stable than others.
So another one is the life cycle. Roughly, our product can process 3,000 times deep hole, and others can process only 1,500 times.
那好的，谢谢你，郑阳。Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Anything, please text me, and I will come to you again.